Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 74. Sanjay said, "Thus have I heard this wonderful dialogue between Vasudeva and the high-souled Partha, which caused the hair to stand on end."
Chapter 18, Shloka 74. Sanchaya uvacha ityaham vasudevasya partasya cha mahatmanah samvadam imam ashrausham adbhutam romaharshanam.
Chapter 18, Shloka 74. In this and the following shlokas, Sanjay glorifies the Gita Acharya and his divine song, the Gita. In the beginning, Arjuna said to the Lord, "I will not fight," and became despondent. Now, entirely revived and fully rehabilitated, he declares, "I shall abide by thy will." The cure is complete and the treatment is over. Vasudeva is the Atman, the Self. Parth represents matter, which is capable of shedding itself sheath by sheath to emerge as the pure, eternal Spirit, the Supreme. Gita teaches the highest art, the art of unveiling the infinite through the finite. This act of understanding himself as different from the matter vestures is man's highest art. The philosophy of the Gita revived the blasted personality of Arjuna into a dynamic whole. He is now the master of the vehicles and not a victim of some other mightier power that has created him only to be tossed by the whim and fancies of his own body, mind, and intellect. Seeing this revealed, Sanjay, in ecstasy, exclaims, "Wonderful!" Arjuna is glorified as he had the courage and heroism to come out of his mental confusions when he gained the right knowledge from Krishna. For Arjuna to understand the philosophy and heroically walk out of his confusions is indeed an achievement worthy of appreciation. Sanjay's sympathies were with the Pandavas, but it was not his dharma to be disloyal to Dhritarashtra, who could even then stop the war. So he tries his best to bring into the blind man's heart the suggestion of a peace treaty by showing him that Krishna has revived and reawakened the hero in Arjuna. He was reminded what the consequences would be, but the king's blindness was not only physical but also mental. So all he said fell on deaf ears. The war became inevitable. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.